While notebooks and pens used to top the back-to-school shopping list, now it's arguably notebook laptops with stylus writing instruments. That's especially true after the pandemic made remote learning a way of life. But deciding on the best laptop for kids on your shopping list can require a lot of processing. How do you know if one computer will be faster than another? Or if one will be better for watching movies and playing games, not that kids would dare think of doing so during the school day? This guide will help parents sort through all the different options, whether you're looking for a Microsoft Surface Go 3 or leaning toward a Google Pixelbook Go. Here's what you need to know to find the best laptop for kids in your life. Number 1. Microsoft Surface Go 3. High school students have a lot going on. So, they need the best laptop that'll work just as well for class assignments as it will for after-school multimedia projects. The Microsoft Surface Go 3 is portable at just 1.2 pounds, and it's plenty powerful, with a sufficiently fast Intel Premium Gold processor. The 220 ppi resolution on the 10.5-inch touchscreen, supported by the Intel UHD Graphics 615 system, makes for a clear picture. And the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage make for a whole bunch of room for those Microsoft 365 files. Microsoft OneDrive offers additional space in the cloud. Meanwhile, up to 10 hours of battery life means the Microsoft Surface Go 3 will last from morning swim practice through after-school play rehearsal. Number 2. Acer Nitro 5. Featuring an 11th General Intel Core i7 processor and up to a GeForce RTX 30 series graphic processing unit, the Acer Nitro 5 is built for game speed, making it one of the best gaming laptops you can buy. Gamers can decide between full high-definition visuals at up to 144Hz1 or quad high-definition at 165Hz1, and audio comes in loud and clear through dual 2-watt speakers. Even with all that firepower, this gaming laptop stays cool thanks to speedy fans and quad exhaust. Don't worry, parents, this is also one of the best laptops for gaming and school, as it's complete with a Microsoft Windows 10 Home operating system. Number 3. HP Chromebook 11a G8 Education Edition. Considering young people are still developing their sense of responsibility when it comes to owning devices, the best laptops for kids may very well be the most affordable laptops. Available for less than $100, this HP Chromebook is certainly inexpensive, but it's also much more. It features an AMD A4 series APU processor that's ready to stream content and access online course material, as well as a clear 11.6-inch HD display. The 4GB of memory is adequate, especially for a Chromebook, but the 32GB of storage means you'll be doing most of your savings on the cloud. At more than 3 pounds, the HP Chromebook is bulkier than many of the other best laptops for kids, but it's also durable. It was tested to survive a splash of water and falling off a desk. This pre-owned product has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by Amazon-qualified vendors. This product is in excellent condition. The screen and body show no signs of cosmetic damage visible from 12 inches away. Number 4. Lenovo Chromebook C340 2-in-1 Convertible Laptop. The C340 Convertible Chromebook has everything elementary students need when it comes to the best laptop for school. At just over 2.5 pounds, the 11.6-inch screen will fit easily into any backpack. And elementary students should find it just as easy to use thanks to speedy boot up, instant integration into a Google account, 4.2 Bluetooth connectivity, and several ports, including 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. The Intel Celeron N4000 processor and 4GB of memory can handily support multiple functions at once, but that's no excuse for browsing the internet while you're taking notes. Plus, the Chromebook has 64GB of storage, meaning you can still save some files, even when you're offline. The HD touchscreen has a resolution of 1366x768, so it won't wow you visually. But the laptop's battery should last the entire school day, and at just over $250, it's the right price point for a device that'll be handled daily by a grade schooler. Number 5. Google Pixelbook Go. With a responsive 8th General Intel Core processor and nearly instant boot up that offers immediate access to your Google apps, the Google Pixelbook Go keeps you connected. At just 2 pounds and 13 millimeters thin, and featuring a grippable rubber underside, the Chromebook is made for you to take everywhere. The battery can last up to 12 hours, and you can plug in for just 20 minutes to get 2 hours of life. Meanwhile, the 13.3-inch touchscreen offers a stunning 4K display, perfect for unwinding with a Netflix show once homework is done. The Google Pixelbook Go is designed to save most of your work on the cloud, but you can also find Go models with up to 256 GB of storage. Accessories may not be original, but will be compatible and fully functional. Product may come in generic box. This product is eligible for a replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt if it does not work as expected.